7 minutes from Wroxham. This one here. This will take some exploring, guys. Oh, it's another lounge. It's a smoking room.
Yeah, I thought we chose them. I mean,
What on earth is that? Stockton Hall, it's actually called. No, I don't think it is. Utility. This one's locked. That one's locked. What's this? That one's locked. Complimentary basket. What's this? White wine to me. Right, upstairs. First floor. Have we got an ensuite? Have we got an ensuite? What's this? Oh, this is another bedroom. Wow. Oh, another bedroom.
We could have these two.
I don't care, whatever. I don't mind. I think I'm going to get lost. What's this? What's this? Oh, it's another one. That's ridiculous.
I can't even look downstairs.
Oh no, not another one. Is that another ensuite? It is. Oh no, that's the one I've just looked at. This is weird. Wow.
I'll find it. It's in there.
Staff quarters. What's this one? Oh, this is another bedroom. What? There's an ensuite. Wow. Only been here 10 minutes. I've been lost 3 times. Hey!